Hi, if you found me here, you must be looking for a new opportunity to build your own home business and create financial freedom for yourself. Well, I have an awesome home business opportunity I would just love to share with you. Now, it has a product that every single person can use, virtually every business needs, and it's all wrapped up in a convenient system that saves people time and money. Now, this is not your latest lotion, potion, or miracle weight loss candy bar that's come on the market. No, it is a real product with real value that appeals to every person. And it's also one of the lowest costs that you're going to find for starting your own home business out there in the industry. And you will not have to buy a lot of expensive inventory that's just going to lay around your home and your garage. So, what are you waiting for? Please fill in your name and email, and you will be immediately directed to my website that's going to give you a lot more information and a great video to watch. And after you get that information, please feel free to contact me personally on my cell phone, which is 205-470-8111. I would love to answer any questions that you have. All right, so fill in your information, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.